how to fix GTA 5 lag when driving easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just go to settings here and then go to privacy. Once you're here, just scroll down until you find background apps, and now just turn off turn off background apps, and then go back. And once you're here, just right click on your desktop, and here you'll find NVIDIA control panel. And then just click use my preference and move it to performance and save it. Click apply and then close it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.